Hey, this is Trevor with QA1. Today I would like to show you our Mopar 4-link coil-over conversion system. This setup will eliminate your factory leaf springs from the car. It gives you tunability for the perfect ride quality, performance, and ride height adjustability that you're looking for out of your classic Mopar A, B, or E body. We've got some options for this system. We've got the 8 3/4 Chrysler and Ford 9-inch rear system like you see behind me. We also have a system for the Dana 60 rear end as well. We've got some shock options available. We've got our single adjust valving, which works awesome for the street. We've got our double adjust shock upgrade, which would be for some racing and handling applications. And then we've got the ultimate performer, our mod shock, available. This will give you the ultimate in both performance and tunability for just about any use. The system is a triangulated 4-link design. Here we've got our lower trailing arms. These are adjustable in length, so you can set the perfect wheelbase. We've got an adjustable front bracket to tune your instant center of the vehicle, which greatly helps for straight line traction and hook up on the line. We've got an adjustable upper trailing arm design here. This will be used to set your pinion angle, especially after you've lowered the car or altered the stance. Also included is the crossbar. This component locates the upper trailing arms to the axle housing and holds our shock mounts in place as well. We also have an optional rear sway bar for the car like you see behind me. We'd want to add this if we're looking for the ultimate in handling performance out of the vehicle. In terms of installation of this system, it's pretty straightforward. It will require some welding. You'll want to weld your upper cross member in the vehicle first. You'll weld this system on the inboard locations of your frame rails. You'll then want to weld your upper trailing arm mounts to your axle housing here with these brackets here. From there, we'll want to bolt in our lower trailing arm. The rear lower trailing arm mount mounts to the factory axle housing right onto your leaf spring mounts on the housing itself. The front of the trailing arm mounts into your factory front leaf spring locations. A great feature of this lower trailing arm design is it's compatible with inboard leaf spring relocation kits. So if you've located your leaf springs inboard of the frame rails, you can still bolt this system in to run that wider wheel and tire package you're looking for. All right, once you've got all the components installed in the car, from there it's just a matter of getting your ride height set with the coil-over and tuning your shocks to get the perfect ride quality you're after, and you're all set. I hope I could answer your questions today, and thanks for joining me.